What if I told you this brand doesn't even exist? Look at it. The logo feels premium. The sunglasses, the branding, the posters, even the model photoshoot looks completely real. There is no way this is fake, right? Every single thing you are seeing was created in just few minutes, starting from absolutely nothing. A complete brand, ads, posters, product shots, packaging, even the video. And the craziest part, it was all made using AI. The tool is called Lovart, an AI that builds your entire brand, not just images. If you have a business idea but don't know where to start, this might genuinely blow your mind. So let's say I want to build a sunglasses brand called Vanta. This is the Lovart interface. It has different AI skills for branding, e-commerce, social media, video creation and more. First, I need a logo, so I'll select the logo design skill. Right here you can choose different AI models for image, videos and 3D generation. I'm going with the latest GPT image model. Now let's type a prompt. Create a logo for a sunglasses brand named Vanta, minimal, modern and timeless. Then hit generate. And this is where things get crazy. This is the Lovart canvas, basically a workspace where everything happens in real time. Within seconds, it generated an entire logo collection. Geometric styles, optical concepts, editorial looks, not just one design. I really like this one, so I'll select optical, choose number 8 and generate it separately. Now we have a logo and brand identity, but we still don't have the actual sunglasses design. So let's ask Lovart to create one. And there we go. Not only did it generate the sunglasses, it even added Vanta branding directly onto the frame, complete with product naming and style direction. That's honestly insane. Now let's create some studio level lifestyle photos. I'll select make lifestyle photos and hit generate. A few seconds later, look at these. Zoom into any image and the quality is actually wild. No photographer, no studio rental, no models. And somehow we still got results that look like real luxury campaign. Now let's push it further and create social media ad posters. Just look at these. These genuinely look like something made by a professional design agency. The typography, lighting, layout, product placement, everything feels polished. And if you want to edit any text, you can literally click on the poster, hit edit text and change anything instantly. You can even change the angle of the objects or product directly inside the canvas. That level of control is crazy. Another cool feature is touch edit. Just use the mark tool or hold Ctrl to select any part of the design and edit only that area without describing the whole image again. For example, here I'm only changing the sunglasses. Pretty cool, right? Now let's generate some ad videos. All you have to do is describe the scene you want, select a video model and hit generate. A few seconds later, your ads are ready. Here is one version and here is another. Finally, let's design the product packaging. And this part actually surprised me. It didn't just generate the box design, it also created wipes, authentication cards, warranty cards and full packaging elements automatically. Within just a few minutes, we created a logo, product designs, studio photos, social media ads, videos and even packaging. Lovart doesn't feel like just another AI image generator. It feels like an entire creative team inside one tool. If you are a small business owner, content creator, or someone with an idea but no design team, this is honestly one of the most powerful AI tools I have ever seen. There is a special link in the description if you want to try it yourself. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.